pa 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 ra pa 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 ba 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 bum 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 What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're gonna learn how to make chord progressions from scratch. So I'll be using 1 2 4 1 chord progression. So if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share all my videos. So without wasting any time, we're back. So so we're going to be working on A major, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Back to 1 chord progression. 1, 2, 4, 1. Yeah. So the first chord, the root notes for the chord progression will go like this. So as you can tell, like already you understand that when you start with the root note, it gets better and it becomes simple for you to come up with new ideas. So now we're gonna add chords on top of the root notes, and then don't forget we're working on A major. And subscribe, bro, subscribe. Okay, let's get back. So you can see like everything is coming out fine, everything is making sense, and then now we gotta add the top notes. But before we add the top notes, let's use EQ, cut the lows. We gotta cut the lows on this uh, chord progression. We cut the lows, and then after that we gonna add the top melody, or on this chord progression, and let's just use reverb to add color to the beat, reverb to increase the low cut. And yeah, now let's try to add the top notes and see how it will sound. So everything is coming out fine, right? And everything is getting cooked. We're cooking and cooking and cooking. So now let's add a bass, a nice bass uh, on this chord progression to give it that bass, you know. So the guitar melody is coming out fine. Everything is good now. So now we're gonna add a bass. We're gonna add a bass. Make it sound more dope than what it is. So yeah, let's try to edit bass. So y'all know I love this bass on sexy classic this drum kit. So when you add a bass, like, let me pause. When you add a bass, you gotta make sure you follow the root notes. Remember, we're working on A major 1 2 4 1 chord progression. So we're gonna start here on A, and then we're gonna go to B, then we're gonna go to C, and then we're gonna go to back to A. Yeah, I think oh no, C. I think it's C. Let me check on the chord progression. It's A B D A. A B D A. So you gotta know about letters. If you understand letters, man, you're gonna master this thing. It's all about letters and numbers. So let's see how this bass sounds. So as you saw that it took me a lot of time to get the right bass. So I always take my time, so because I don't want to mess up, I want to make good stuff, you understand. So it took a lot of time, a long time, a lot of time, a very long time to get the right bass. So you need the right bass to like get that nice sounding beat you want, you understand. So now because we have this chord on this guitar, so now I want to add something like a pad to be ready for the drums, because once I add a pad I'm done, because you can tell that the melody now is powerful, but although I can add a lot of stuff, but sometimes less is more. You just have to keep it simple, stupid. I mean, keep it stupid simple, you understand.